Hi, friends. Whenever we want to do something in life and we give so much importance to skills, do you really think skills are the primary one to focus on when you want to achieve something? I have read this book, 80% Mindset, 20% Skills by Dave Gadby. It had changed my perspective on things, also emphasizes a lot of things that, it's your mind that you have to prioritize more than anything else to get things done. I am Sunita, using this platform to share my learnings. So, I'll be sharing the top 5 learnings out of this book, and for more, you can read the book. The first one being invest in yourself. We hear it a lot, but this book emphasizes through the examples, through the story of Joe and Mo, that it is your mindset that you have to control than focusing on the skills. We might say that, I'll do something after I learn a certain skill, or I'm facing challenge learning a skill. But it's more than the skill, it's your mindset, it's your perspective on things that needs to be changed to get things done, or to achieve your goals. So the examples and the way it is being put, I think it brings things, it makes you think. uh, I think that's, even though this is a common thing that we have heard, I felt it was presented well, so you are able to take it seriously. The second learning has been, your goals are not realistic until somebody is not laughing at them. So we try to under present our goals like something that is achievable, because we think that we should not be failing. So let me put a smaller goal because I know I can achieve that. But this book brought a great perspective, or made me think that it's not a true goal until people are not laughing at that goal, which means you've not put a very high standard for yourself that you can achieve. Are you really doubting yourself? What are the thought processes, what's your mindset perspective that you're going through while you're placing these goals for yourself? So rethink. If you think your goal is too small, you're like, okay, it is achievable, which means you're not scaling up, you are not pushing yourself enough. So I'm redoing my goals with that perspective. See, okay, does this look very under, am I putting the bar too low for myself, or should I increase it? So that was the second learning. The third learning, people care less about what you say and more about what you do. So example to the goals back, it's not about just saying that this is my goal, but people would more care about what are you doing about those goals. Just having goal is not enough, but what are your actions that they can see that you're taking towards those goals. So people will care less about what you say, and they'll more look forward to what you do. If they are not aligning, that's when people will start laughing, or they're more negative that you get to hear in life. The fourth learning has been, first you build your habits and then habits build you. So we think everything is such a big task to achieve. When we think of a goal, we say that, okay, it's such a big goal, how do I achieve it? But once you start breaking it down to a more simplistic form, and then look at what is the bare minimum, or what is the smallest piece. When I say bare minimum, what is the smallest piece that I can pick and include it as an habit for myself going forward from tomorrow? You start building on those habits, and automatically your perspective on things changes. You see a lot of action going on around that goal, so that brings a lot of positivity, and you look forward for the what's the next thing that I can do towards that goal. So first you build your habits, and then habits build you. Then the fifth learning being, the only thing that will decide whether you can achieve what you want is your commitment. Whatever it is, nobody can help you around it. It's you and your commitment towards that goal. If you are not committed to it, there's nobody else who can push you to it. If you're not serious about it, how can anybody else listening to it from the outside be serious that you really want to achieve this? So everything boils down to how committed you are to get it done. You will find ways, you will find time, you will find whatever resources you need based on your commitment level towards it. So that was my fifth learning. So again, rephrasing all the 5 learnings. First one, invest in yourself. Your goals are not really goals if no one is laughing at them. People care less about what you say and more about what you do. First, you build your habits, and the habits will build you. Fifth, The only thing that will decide whether you achieve your goals is your commitment. Those were my learnings from this book. I'd be happy to hear what have been your learnings if you are picking up this book. With that, thank you and good day everyone. Happy learning.